Hello and welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Teeth whitening is one of the most searchable words on YouTube. We all want white sparkling teeth, but when they become yellow or red, then it sounds like the most impossible task. Your teeth can turn yellow or red due to improper care, overuse of soda and drinks, smoking, and sometimes other bad habits. But don't worry, today I will share a secret recipe and a procedure to whiten your teeth instantly without using any harmful chemicals or without spending a lot of money. Before starting the recipe, please like this video to support me. So take a clean bowl and add a teaspoon of pure cider vinegar. Next, add around a half a teaspoon of baking soda in it. Lastly, add around a tablespoon of white toothpaste. Now mix it well. Baking soda mixed with apple cider makes a perfect teeth whitener. This helps to remove permanent stains and yellowness from the teeth. I have added toothpaste to dilute this mixture. Now take a clean toothbrush and start brushing your teeth with this mixture. This will give you an instant result, but please, I request you to not overuse this. You only have to use this recipe once a week and prepare fresh every time. I know it has amazing results, but I suggest to you to use this remedy only once a week. And once you have achieved the desired results, then stop using this. And after that, take proper care of your teeth. Brush your teeth daily in the morning and before going to bed. And believe me, after that, you will never ever face this problem again in your entire life. If you like this video, share with your friends. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye!